What up, everybody? So there's 2 drops today. Lab It in 4 hours, and this one, Rogers the Musical, in 45 seconds. It's Marvel, so there's only 3,800 of them, so I'm going to try to get one. I've never had a drop like this where it's not a blind box, so I don't actually know what the right technique is, but I'm going to try to just press this. Okay, I'm going to try to press it as fast as I can when the timer is up. It's at like 17 seconds right now. Maybe I got to do it right when it's like 0, go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Fuck. Sold out. So I don't know how to get these. It's not the same as that other one. I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. If anybody has tips on how to get these, let me know. Because as you saw, that button, I pressed it right away and it didn't. So no clue. I'm going to try for the Labbits though, just because it's a blind box and I know how to do those, and hopefully I can resell it for, I don't know, even double the gems. I'm guessing it's a famous artist. Alright, it's not working. Yeah, I don't know how to do this one. What is it called when it's a drop like this? The one that's not a blind box. Is the marketplace open? I don't know, I'll check back in a couple hours and see. But for this one, it's super easy. It's the same thing, you just click a bunch over here. So I'll set myself a timer for 3 hours and 58 minutes, so I will remember about this one. These are what they look like. They're kind of cheap, but who knows. All right, bye guys.